All right, guys, check it out. Got one pack of the first chapter, one pack of Rise of the Floodborn. Let's see what's in store for today. Sergeant Tibbs, Stitch. I don't even know who that is. Sudden Chill, Donnie the Duck, Cerberus. I have a lot of these. Olaf, my first Olaf. Beast is Mine, Grandma Tala, Maleficent Rare, okay. Magic Mirror Rare. And Develop Your Brain foil. All right, pack number 2, edition number 2. Throwing the trash everywhere. All right, what do we got here? Rabbit, Sneezy, Jiminy, Bound. I don't know how to pronounce his name, honestly. Verana, Lawrence, creepy dude, Bucky, Bashful, Pinocchio Rare, okay. Hiram Rare, I think I hit one of these yesterday. And Jafar Common Foil, okay. Got Jafar. Hiram. I don't know who that is, actually. Hiram. Where do you come from? I actually like this Pinocchio against the purple backdrop. Develop Your Brain. Some advice for all of us. Magic Mirror. What wouldst thou know, my queen? And last but not least, Maleficent Rare. Probably my favorite card. Would have been nice if this was foil. But there we go. There we have it, folks. Top pulls from today. Peace.